Hey everybody, this is Aaron and welcome back to the channel. Got something kind of cool today. When it comes to my 2024 Road Glide, one of the things, and I absolutely love this thing, but one of the things I'm just not in love with is the emblems that they come with. I liked the older style where it was just the Harley emblem. So I went looking on the internet and I found something that kind of came out at me and I really love it. It's from JH Choppers LLC, and yeah, come up with these little emblems. I really like how they're billet aluminum. They're super nice, they're super smooth. I just love how they look. And they come with the billet aluminum, and then they come with this 3M super sticky tape. So yeah, I'm gonna replace the emblem. So let's get into it. Let me get set up. All right, we're all set up. So it's, like I said, I'm gonna set it up like this. Essentially go like that. I think it's gonna look pretty nice. But first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some painter's tape, and then I've got this marker, and essentially I want to put the point of the new emblem where this points at, so that way I know. Now I don't have any fishing lure, so I'm having to use this plastic pry tool. So let's see how we're doing this together. If you have fishing lure, it'd probably be 10 times easier. But like anything I do, I like doing it the hard way. Just working it as slow as I can, trying try not to leave as scratches or residue. It's actually going pretty good. Patience is key. There you go. We'll let them off. Actually fits super nice. We'll get it cleaned up and I'll get back to it. All right, we're back. So as you can tell, we got it cleaned up. It's all nice and shiny. Now we're going to put that 3M sticky tape on. And this stuff is extremely sticky, so be careful. Just gotta line it up. Looking something like that. I'm just going to apply some pressure. And yeah, that's all she wrote. Nice clean rag. So, going from that to that. Tell me what you guys think. I love it. Go ahead and tell me what you think about it in the comment section. Yeah, as always, I'm Aaron. This is Sin City Projects and Outdoors, and I'll see you next time.